This is the DJI Osmo Action 3. The updated version is the Osmo Action 4. We have a wireless mic on. Let's just go into the camera's factory reset, confirm. Set up our camera. What we're going to do is we're going to go back into the Pro. We're going to go into the dB gain. It's always on default plus 6 dB. We're going to bring this down to negative 12 dB. We're going to play a video. Notice here our bar where it's at, 1 meter. We're going to play. We're going to pause the video. We're going to go back into the mic and notice where it's at right now. And when you look at the microphone, it is on a negative 12 dB. When it's actually on 6 dB. This is a known bug, day one, when they added in the gain meter bar that is very difficult to see on top, where it should have been on bottom or on top, a larger gain bar. Does the Osmo Action 4 have the same issue? And we are not factory resetting the camera to do it. You don't have to. I did it to show you that the camera cleared out. DJI will pass this to the relevant team and never resolve it on the Osmo Action 3. You will have to get an Osmo Action 4 to see if the problem was resolved.